Ready? Start. A dispute had arisen regarding interpretation of the settlement agreement between the parties. Stop. The respondent invoked arbitration clause against the appellant. Stop. Respondent filed a petition under Section 9 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act in Bombay High Court seeking interim relief against the appellant. Stop. The Bombay High Court served notice to the appellant in Karnataka. Stop. The appellant had also filed an arbitration petition under Section 9 before the Principal District Judge Karnataka for an injunction restraining respondent from breaching various agreements and obtained an order of interim injunction. Stop. The respondent objected to the proceedings before the Bareilly Court without success. Stop. The respondent filed appeal before Karnataka High Court, which was allowed, holding that issue of jurisdiction would have to be decided by Bombay High Court. Stop. During the pendency of petition under Section 9 before Bombay High Court, the respondent transferred its registered office to Mumbai. By the impugned order, Bombay High Court held that it had jurisdiction to entertain the arbitration petition under Section 9 of the Act on the ground that under Clause 12 of the latter's patent, Bombay High Court had jurisdiction to entertain the petition as the respondent was having its corporate office in Mumbai from where it was carrying on its business. Stop para. In order to invoke jurisdiction to entertain an application under Section 9, this court should look into the Arbitration and Conciliation Act. Stop. The Act specifically provides that only the court, as defined in Clause 2, will have jurisdiction to entertain the application. Stop. Delhi is not a chartered high court and there is no Letters Patent Act conferring specific jurisdiction on Delhi High Court. Stop. Delhi High Court has original jurisdiction and the original jurisdiction is exercised as per the provisions of CPC and its own rules framed for the purpose. Stop. A perusal of rules would show that there is no specific rule conferring jurisdiction on Delhi High Court in a manner in which Clause 12 of Letters Patent conferred original jurisdiction in case of Bombay High Court. Stop. Moreover, Bombay High Court assumed jurisdiction since the respondent had shifted its office within the jurisdiction of Bombay High Court. Stop. In the present case, neither the petitioner nor the respondent had their office or place of business in Delhi. Neither any cause of action or any part of cause of action had arisen in Delhi. Stop. The jurisdiction is sought to be invoked on the ground that sites of the arbitrator may be in New Delhi. Stop. I consider that the place where the arbitration may take place is not relevant for deciding the jurisdiction of the court for the purpose of Section 9. Stop. The jurisdiction for the purpose of Section 9 can be decided only on the basis of availability of jurisdiction to the court as defined under Section 2 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act. Stop. I therefore hold that this court can have no jurisdiction to entertain the application under Section 9. Stop. After arbitration only, Delhi High Court would be the court where the award can be challenged. Stop.